Okay. So what'd you get for number one?
I got A. The CPI can use to compare dollar figures from different points in time.
So I got
All right. 2. I got A. The overall level of prices in the economy is increasing.
Yep, that's what I got too. Number three, I got D. Peril.
Oh. I got B.
Recreation.
Yeah. Because I went to the PowerPoint because I didn't have the book open and it was to that pie graph and what's in the CPI's basket. And recreation is like the least amount compared to all the other ones.
You just read that wrong. All right.
Okay.
All right. What'd you get for four?
I got D.
Yeah. So I got.
For this one, I got C. It's 10%.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's 6. What'd you get?
B.
Yay, I did too. All right, 7. I got B.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Cool. All right, 8. What'd you get?
I got A.
Okay, I got that too. Okay, 9. I got D.
I got.
Sweet. We're just on a roll today, man.
Crazy. So for 10, I got D.
Same.
Oh.
Wait. All right, 11. I got D.
Okay, that's what I got.
Okay, cool. All right, 12. I got B.
Yeah, so I got.
Okay, 13. C.
Yep, that's what I got.
Yay. Okay, so the next two questions I did not understand. So 14.
Okay, so I had D.
Okay, do you remember how you got that?
Let's see. So I have to go back into the book and see where I got the equation.
Because I'm trying to remember.
Maybe I found it in the PowerPoint. Because the nominal interest rate. CPI.
Interest rate.
We just have to the cost.
Okay.
So the base year. So, I mean, the CPI, it tells us what it is, but it says it's not necessarily that. So if the nominal interest rate for 2013 is 7.3%.
Because real interest rate is nominal rate and nominal interest rate minus inflation.
Right.
So, crap. Calculator.
So it's asking us just to find the consumer price index, but it's
So, oh, that's not So real interest rate. If I find the nominal interest rate, then how am I supposed to find the consumer price index from that?
That's what I'm not. Because I mean, the CPI is just the cost of the current year and the cost of the base year. The base year times 100. But then,
well, it doesn't matter what the base year is, it says. So, I mean, I guess we could do, let's see, 2013. So current year is 76,000 divided by, let's do 2011 as a base year.
okay.
Equals times 100. Yeah, that makes no sense. Because I get like 116.92. And those are like not any of the answers.
Nominal interest rate for 2013.
I don't know. If you got a certain answer, let's just go with it because I don't.
I'm confused on how I got it. So, okay.
Love you. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, I'm just ready for Christmas. Wait a second. Okay, so I don't know.
242.7.
That's not what I meant to do.
242.7, is that what it said?
Yeah,
That's one of the answers.
I know. So I'm just gonna go with that one.
All right.
Cool.
I'm gonna go over all this stuff. My wife is really good about all this stuff, so
Nice. Yeah, my husband's taking another economics class. He's taking 150, and he's basically going over some of the same stuff we are. But he like doesn't get like his isn't as mathy as ours, so
yeah.
that's nice. Okay, I didn't get this one either. For 15.
Okay, so suppose Will's 2009 food expenditures in 2011 dollar amount 566. Then So then if we just find it's kind of confusing. Suppose Will's 2009 food expenditures in 2011.
Amount to 5,000. So technically in 2009 he spent 5,000, but in 2011 dollars he actually spent $5,670.
Right. So then
I guess you could try and figure out which one isn't correct. Or like oh my gosh, I can't even think today.
kind of work it backwards.
Yeah, kind of work backwards through the answers and see, so we can do if Will's 2010 food expenditures and 2011 dollars amount. So we would do 58 times. I guess we can't do that. So we'd have to just find the CPI for 2011.
Year over base year.
Okay.
Well, so I mean, if you redo the CPI for the 2011 food expenditures being 5,670, then you get a CPI of 113.4.
Okay.
I think I'm doing that right. But then,
Because I just found the CPI for 2011, which is 75.76. Okay, that's completely wrong, but that's just me. So, but
unless I'm misunderstanding the question. So is it saying that instead of $6,600 being the 2011 cost, it's 5,670, right?
no. So 2011 is fine. It's 2009. So instead of 5,000, it's actually 5,670
Oh,
the 2011 value of the dollar.
oh, okay. So then if I was to find the CPI, I just do the, instead of using 5,000, I'm using 5,670.
Yeah, to find the new CPI.
Still got like 116.4.
Oh, for the 2009 CPI?
Yes. No, for the 2011. Unless I'm doing it.
116?
Uh-huh. I must be doing it wrong.
Wait, how did you get that? Tax.
So I did the 5,670. Oh, yeah. No. I did 6,600 divided by the 5,670 and then multiply that by 100.
Oh, yeah, I must have done my math wrong.
But then I don't know how after that point, how do we get that?
So let's see,
Yes.
116.4. So that's our CPI. So how, let's see. So let's see, 116.4 divided by 160 times 5670. No, that doesn't matter. Okay. No.
Oh, so then maybe if we do so 116. Do this CPI. So then doing that, that's the CPI for 2011.
Yeah. So let's see.
So then we have to find it again for the 5670. Would have to.
Okay, so D is not correct. So that I do know.
Sweet.
Let's see. And C is not correct.
Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to see if it's. I'm kind of leaning towards B, but I'm not quite sure.
Okay. Inflation rate. C.
Well, maybe I did it wrong, but I got the inflation rate was 16.4%.
Okay. Let me see. So inflation rate. So we want to take 116 divided by 168 equals times 100.
Unless I mean, like, if I divide it in half, then it gets me closer to what this answer says. I don't know where I would need to divide it by.
Okay.
I mean, I don't think it's A because the CPI was lower than the 2009 CPI.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, so minus 168. But B, I don't think B is correct either, unless I did the math wrong on C and D.
Hmm.
Would you?
Okay.
Well, let's just go with B if that's what you think, because
I don't know. I mean, what math that I got didn't get me to this.
and like I said, I could be doing the yeah. I don't think C and D are correct. And if you don't think A, and A isn't correct, so B is like the best option that we have.
All right.
Okay. All right. 16. I got B.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Cool. 17 C.
Mm-hmm.
18. I got C.
Yeah, we got that.
8. 19. I got A.
What? B, but I was kind of torn between B and C because don't you just
So
because to find the real interest rate you just it's nominal interest minus inflation.
yeah, nominal interest rate minus inflation. So negative 2.5 equals 4 minus, I just put X.
Oh, I guess you're right. You add it.
Yeah, because I mean, it's going to be a negative number. Yeah, so the minus 4. Wait, how did I do this? Minus 1 on each side, so that's negative 6. I got a positive number. Why did I? Oh, I did get a positive number. So it's not A, it's D.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
Do you get how I found that though?
Yeah. I think I was just trying to do it in my head and I didn't write it out.
Okay. All right. And then 20, I did. I have no idea.
Yeah, I suppose that over the past year, the real interest rate was 6% and the inflation rate was 4%. It follows that.
I think it's D. No,
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh,
Did you get an answer for this, or did you not know?
no, I was kind of confused on this one as well.
Okay.
Suppose over the past year, the real interest rate was 6%. Inflation rate was 4%. Dollar value of saving.
I don't know. What I'm reading in the PowerPoint, the real interest rate. It's the rate of growth in the purchasing power of a deposit or debt.
Okay.
So I'm assuming the purchasing power of savings increased at 6% because the real interest rate was 6%.
Mhm.
So the only answer with that is D.
Okay.
You
Wait.
Wait.
Increase at 10%?
No, the purchasing power of savings increased at 6%.
Oh.
So I just assumed that the dollar of savings increased at 10% because
Okay.
the purchasing power of saving increased at 6% is only one answer.
Okay.
Is that cool?
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
Okay, cool.
I think up at the top or number 3, I'm pretty sure that one is apparel.
Apparel.
Yeah.
Did you look it up in the book?
Yeah, on the PowerPoint, the apparel's 4%.
Maybe I read it wrong. Let's see.
And then the recreation's 6, so they're super close. Oh wait. Other goods.
Oh, no, yeah, you're right. 4%, 6%. You're right. I'm glad you looked at that again.
Cool. All right.
Okay.
I think, yep.
Quiz. Oh, we got an A-.
Really?
Yay! See, what 2 questions did we miss? Okay, question 11. And 1.5%. I'm cool with that. Okay.
Yep.
Sweet.
Cool. Alrighty. Well, I'll get this video loaded up and everything.
Okay. Well, I will see you next week then.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. Peace
Yeah.
out.
Okay, have a good week.